mark the leg shape and hand shape also in the cardboard sheet and cut it. Now take a cardboard sheet and paste on golden sheet as shown in video. Now also attach hands. Now cut it. Little bend and decorate the legs with some decorative stones as shown in the video. Decoration is up to you. Make same process for hands and finish it. Now take a binding wire and make little bend as shown in the video. Now attach binding rod on the back side of hands and legs with Fevibond and paste a little piece of paper on it. Do the same process for legs also. Now attach hands and legs for the Varalakshmi idol. Here I am making Abhyasta, and also attach legs for the goddesses Varalakshmi. Now hands and legs are ready. Now mark the necklace shape as shown in the video. Cut it. Now take a golden foam sheet and attach on it and cut it. And decorate the necklace with stones and kundams. Decoration is up to you. Now complete it. You can use different types of stones and kundams for decorating jewelry. Now necklace is completed. Now attach double tape on the back side. After puja you can remove easily. Now paste on the idol as shown in the video. Now necklace is ready. Now take a cardboard sheet and roll it and place on the middle and attach tape on it to stick neatly. It will help to stand the face tightly, and take a face which is available in all puja stores and tie with thread as shown in the video. Now mark a cool crown shape. Make a circle with the help of tape. Here I am making crown for goddesses Varalakshmi. Cut it and take a golden sheet and attach on it. Cut it. Now decorate the crown with kundams. Now attach some pins on the side as shown in the video. It will help to stand, and attach artificial hair for goddesses Varalakshmi and attach the crown. Now again make the crown shape and cut it. Here I am using thick paper. Attach on it. Cut it. Now decorate the crown. Make a holes on the side and decorate the crown with stones. For jewelry making I am using thick sheet. Now attach big kundams to make more attractive. Now attach some pearl beads. Now attach thread on both the sides. It will help to tie the crown for the idol. Tie as shown in the video. Now I am making ears. Attach on the golden paper and cut it, and attach some kundams on it, and attach double tape and stick to the goddesses Varalakshmi idol. Now earrings are ready. Now jewelry making is ready for goddesses Varalakshmi. Now here I am making Gajamala for Varalakshmi. Cut a shape as shown in the video. Take a fabric cloth and cut as shown in the video, and take a needle and stitch it as shown in the video. Repeat the same procedure till end, and open on another side. It will be like this. Now fill the cotton and stitch again with needle on the other side also. Now take some golden small borders and paste on it. Here I am decorating Gajamala for goddesses Varalakshmi, and decoration is up to you. After decoration it will be like this. Now take a small golden border and make a flower shape as shown in the video. Make a flower shape. And attach one pearl on the middle and stitch it in the middle. Make 2 Gajamalas. It will be like this as shown in the video. Now attach thread in the middle. Now attach Gajamala to goddesses Varalakshmi. Now Gajamala is ready for goddess Varalakshmi. Now cut in a round shape and attach on the paper and cut it. Here I am making lotus. Now the round is ready, base part, and cut in a as shown in the video. Here I am making petals for lotus. Repeat the same process. and wrap around the base. Apply glue on it and wrap it until end. Attach gum and roll it. Now lotus is ready. And place the lotus down of the legs. I have attached some flowers. Same procedure without base. Now take a small pot and attach circle shape in the middle with the cardboard sheet. And I am making coin shape in the cardboard sheet and attach some golden sheet on it. Make some more and attach that coin golden sheets on that pot. Now golden pot is ready. Now place on the Goddess Varalakshmi hand. Now the Goddess Varalakshmi is ready for puja. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.